Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is September the 4th, 2024, and today we will look at gasoline futures. We will look at gasoline futures on two different charts. We'll look at the monthly chart first, and we'll follow up with the weekly chart. So let's just take a look at the monthly chart here now. I have two lines drawn on this chart, and the purple one is the 200-month moving average, and the green is the 50-month moving average. So notice how the price is now trading below both of those moving averages. And if you look closely here, you can actually see that 200-month moving average is flattening out to maybe even starting to decline, suggesting that we're here to see lower gasoline futures prices in the future, really. And the trend is maybe changing. It's starting to go to the downside. The green 50-month moving average is still rising, so it suggests perhaps that we'll have some more period of consolidation, trying to work through this previous supply that we see here on the chart. There's a lot of buyers and sellers activity taking place at this level in the past, and it could take some time to work through that supply. But it's starting to look like we'll see lower gasoline future prices and perhaps lower pump prices as well. Let's look at the weekly chart here. The weekly chart, I mean, it's, we're breaking down through some previous support levels. We have support back here in 2021 and supply and resistance back here, really going back to 2015. So it might take some time to work through that level of supply, but let's take a look at some interesting things here. I'm going to look at the moving averages. This is the 10-week moving average, this red line here, and you can see how significant that has been to the price. Basically, when that moves below the 10-week moving average, the price tends to drop, and vice versa when it rises. So we're seeing this period of consolidation right here since probably September of 2022, the last 2 years of consolidation. So it appears that we're breaking out below that now. Let's turn on some other moving averages, take off the 10, put on the 30, 40, and 50-week moving averages, and you can see how they're crossing over one another. There's, as the buyers and sellers fight for control of the trend. And right now we're making new lows below those moving averages. So perhaps we'll see the shorter term moving average, the red 30-week moving average, drop below the other moving averages, and that'll give us conviction of lower prices in the future. And you can see what happens here when these moving averages are aligned. It adds strength to the trend, and we sometimes get a significant move following that. So we really want to see our moving averages aligned in order to develop conviction of the trend. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's overcast in Saskatoon. Life's good.